Hey guys, welcome back to a very new series of tutorial on Catia v5, and in today's tutorial I will show you some of the basics of Catia v5. So without further ado, let's start. So as you can see, I'm in the Catia v5. So let's start from here. Go for mechanical design and part design. So just name your part as exercise 1. So after that, this is the workbench of the part design. As you can see, these are sketch based features, some pad, pocket, shaft, groove and all those. This is point, line and plane, and this is the sketch option. So let's quickly sketch something. So for that, start with XY plane, go for a sketch, take centered rectangle, start from here. Now this one constraint, this is basically used to define the dimensions. So just select this one and select your sketch, or give it anything. So for giving the proper dimensions, just double click this one and you can type in your values and click OK. So after this you can exit the workbench from here, and then this sketch is selected and you can go for padding. So you can take anything, any values, go for mirrored, preview. You can also preview this one. If you want to change the dimensions, you can do over here, again preview it. Okay, so here is the visualization basically. So these are the different visualizations. Now let's make some holes on this surface. So for that, just select the face and go for a sketch. Take circle, draw somewhere over here, give it some dimensions. So dimension is in diameter, just select 11 maybe. So exit the workbench. Now go for pocket, preview it. So I think more depth is needed. Okay, so very simple and basic. Padding and then pocket. So these are the very basic tools used in Catia v5, and slowly we will progress on this. Let's draw one more sketch on this face. So select this face, go for sketching. Let's select X7. Okay, you can give dimensions to this one, but I'm leaving it just for this video tutorial. So exit the workbench, and then you can pad this one. Preview it. See. Okay. So this is the very basic padding and pocket tutorial on Catia v5. I hope you guys like it, and see you in the next video very soon. Thank you so much, and peace.